So next, let's reuse a sequence of questions from a question bank. We're running a Colectica repository that hosts a number of survey instruments from other projects, and so I can browse that repository and find this section that asks about the location of the respondent. We can notice when we select that it's been used in this previous household survey. So after adding that sequence, we can drill into it and take a look at the questions that are brought down as part of that section of the survey. So next, let's reuse another sequence of questions, and this time let's ask some questions about work. And this one looks like it was used in the employment survey previously. And finally, let's add one more section of questions to finish off the survey, and this one will be about commuting, so how people get to work. Now you notice there's these red indicators on the last two sections I've added. So those indicate that the sections require some inputs, but the survey doesn't know where to get those inputs from. So if we drill into the section, we can take a look at what it's expecting. So in this case, we have a validation check or an edit check that is verifying that if the child is less than 10 years old, that they probably don't work a job. We can specify the edit checks as soft or hard, and I believe this is a soft check. So this edit check is only activated if the respondent age is less than 10, but since we don't ask respondent age in this section, we'll need to fulfill this input. So when we click the indicator to fulfill the input, we can look at all the previous questions that are available in the survey, filtered by which questions could possibly fulfill this input. So in this case, it'll only see numeric questions. And we can select the previous age question that we asked, and now our section is satisfied with that input. So similarly, we can do this for the job count. And this time, since we're further down in the survey, we have more options to choose from. But we do have the job count question that we can use to fulfill that input.